Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's move to this button. When we pick this we can manage easily the ratio. Now it's 4:3. We can change this to 16:9. And this is how it looks like. As you can see, this is a little bit longer than 4:3. When we pick this we can also go to 1:1. So this is the square one, as you can see, and here we have also access to the full ratio. So this is full camera frame. Of course, by tapping on this once again, we can easily go back to 4:3, the original one. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.